वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। हेलो दोस्तों, आप लोग कैसे हो? मैं आशा करता हूँ आप लोग अच्छे होंगे। आज का जो क्लास है सोशल जस्टिस, चैप्टर हेल्थ, प्राइवेट हेल्थ सिस्टम। और जितने भी मेरे दर्शकों गण हैं, लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, फॉलो करें, जो कि सहयोग होगा। चैनल मेरा देखें अच्छे से। आज का जो क्लास है सोशल जस्टिस, चैप्टर प्राइवेट हेल्थ सिस्टम। सोशल जस्टिस चैप्टर हेल्थ प्राइवेट सिस्टम। नेशनल डिजिटल हेल्थ मिशन, नेशनल डिजिटल health mission, basically health related issue of the national digital health mission, digitalization of mission, digitalization online mission, health mission, digitalize of health mission. With such database of health related information database in being prepare the national digital health mission, of database of health system, health related information. People can easily access their health information. People can easily access their health information. Implemented national digital health mission, national health authority, basically central level health department, national health authority under the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, national health authority undertaking of the basically health department, basically database of health related information, basically national digital health mission, inform of the health related issue, health related problem. Silent future of national digital health mission, basically national digital health mission, complete digital health ecosystem, basically ecosystem of the biodiversity, the forest is the one part and another part body of the digital health ecosystem. Digital platform has been launched with four major health ID, basically health ID, personal health record, basically information of digital doctor and facility registry, basically four major of the digitalized platform has been health ID, personal health record, digital doctor and health facility register and follow. Basically four major of the digitalized of the platform and online platform launch of the four major initiative health ID. will identify each citizen and store their medical history. Health ID contain detail of each test as diseases, doctor visit, medicine taken, diagnosis. Basically, health ID test each disease, doctor visit, the doctor verification of the medicine of diagnosis. DG doctor, basically DG doctor of the silent future of NDHM, National Digital Health Mission, a single updated repository of all doctors enrolled in the country including relevant details such as name, qualification, specialization, registration number, year of experience. Basically silent future of National Digital Health Mission, basically DG doctor. Basically DG doctor, a single updated repository of all doctors enrolled in the country including relevant detail, name, qualification, specialization, registration number. Basically registration number, basically central level power of the National Digital Health Mission, authority of the control of the all, basically registration number, year of experience, basically repository of all doctor enrolled in the country including detail. Basically silent future of NDHM, National Digital Health Mission. Health Facility Registry, HFR. Health Facility Registry, single repository of all the health facility. Single report of the, basically repository of report of the all health facility, both and public and private in the country. Both and public and private. Personal health record, PHR, an electronic record of health related information, individual. Basically individual and one person and another person information, electronic record of health related, can be drawn from multiple sources. Basically all those sources of the multiply sources being managed, shared and controlled by the individual. Electronic medical report, basically EMR. Electronic medical report, digital version of patent chart which content patient. Basically digital version of the electronic medical recorded patient chart which medical treatment history from a single health facility. Basically single health facility electronic medical recorded treatment history from a single health facility patient medical, basically electronic medical recorded EMR, basically health facility registry, single report of all the health facility, both public, private and country. Benefit of National Digital Health Mission. Basically benefit of National Digital Health Mission. The current robust public digital infrastructure, basically online infrastructure, will provide opportunity to streamline health information through digital management. Basically digital management, online sources of the public digital infrastructure, public digital infrastructure. The mission will enable easy effective monitoring. Basically monitoring public in the mission in level easy, effective monitoring of outbreak like Japanese dengue, malaria, coronavirus. Basically, visit of monitoring of the dengue, malaria, coronavirus. Amazing technology like artificial intelligence. Basically, artificial intelligence, online controlling of the artificial intelligence. Basically, digital health mission, national digital health mission, internet of thinking, blockchain, color computing provide additional opportunity and facility of overall digital health ecosystem. Digital health ecosystem, equitable access to health care service leading to better health outcome and cost can also reduce. Basically, national digital health mission of the online controlling, online visit, online monitoring, basically health system of the controlling of central authority of the national digital health mission. Benefit of national NDHM, national digital health mission. Provide an option individual assist both public and private health services. Basically, public, निजी और public private health service facility compliance, prescribed guideline and protocol. Basically, guideline and protocol and ensure transparency, service accountability. Basically, with respect to healthcare service being a provide. Basically, national digital health mission responsibility of the service being provide. Basically, guideline and protocol, all doctors are the guideline of the follow of the protocol. Basically, national digital health mission central authority guidance. Medical field, just basic medicine develop in the future. Integrating ecosystem will also enable the continuity of healthcare. Basically, ecosystem of the ecosystem, one person and the other person ecosystem also continuity healthcare. National digital health mission will also help achieving the sustainable development goal. Basically, ecosystem. Basically, ecosystem is the part of the body of the integrated of the ecosystem. Ecosystem is the other one part and the other part is the ecosystem also enable the continuity of health care. Basically, NHM, basically National Digital Health Mission. Basically, full form of National Digital Health Mission. Discuss your tomorrow classes. Discuss your classes tomorrow. Basically, good day. Bye bye.